Gamers, it's time to get hyped. AMD is back with a jaw-dropping announcement that has the entire gaming community buzzing. Imagine getting your hands on a brand new limited edition Radeon RX 9070 XT Monster Hunter Wilds Edition GPU. Without spending a single cent sounds like a dream, right? Well, AMD and Ashrock have turned that dream into reality with their latest global sweepstakes. This is more than just another marketing campaign. It's a celebration of gaming power, performance, and community engagement. The Radeon RX 9070 XT, built on AMD's latest RDNA 4 architecture, is already making waves for an incredible price-to-performance ratio. And now, 5 lucky gamers could walk away with one for free. In this video, we'll dive deep into how you can enter this exciting contest, what makes this GPU so special, and why this giveaway might just be the best opportunity gamers have seen all year. AMD has just sent shockwaves through the gaming world with its latest announcement. The AMD X Monster Hunter Wild Sweepstakes, an international giveaway that offers gamers a rare opportunity to win one of 5 limited edition Radeon RX 9070 XT Monster Hunter Wilds Edition GPUs, developed in collaboration with Ashrock. For those who've been dreaming of upgrading their gaming setup without breaking the bank, this might be your golden ticket. The contest, which runs for the next 2 weeks, is open to residents from North America, Europe, the United Kingdom, Japan, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, India, and Indonesia, making it one of AMD's most extensive and inclusive global promotions yet. Participants can earn entries by following AMD, Ashrock, and Monster Hunter on social media. And the giveaway page even allows fans to collect up to 1,200 entries through various engagement tasks like sharing posts or subscribing to newsletters. With the event already amassing close to 1.5 million entries, the hype around this sweepstakes is absolutely massive, and it's easy to see why. AMD is putting one of its most talked about GPUs on the line, a card that represents everything gamers love about Team Red: raw power, efficient architecture, and outstanding value for money. The Radeon RX 9070 XT is built on AMD's RDNA 4 architecture, making it the current flagship of AMD's next-generation GPU lineup. Sporting a robust 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM, it strikes the perfect balance between power, performance, and efficiency. In benchmarks, the 9070 XT comfortably competes with Nvidia's RTX 5070 and RTX 5070 Ti, often edging past the 5070 while matching the Ti variant in VRAM and frame rate performance. What makes this card particularly attractive is its energy efficiency and simple power design, requiring only 2 8-pin connectors, unlike some of Nvidia's more power-hungry GPUs that demand proprietary cables and higher wattage. This simplicity, paired with Ashrock's stunning Monster Hunter Wild Edition design, creates a limited edition masterpiece that is collectible as it is powerful. With its sharp, game-themed aesthetics, custom cooling system, and signature Monster Hunter branding, this GPU is a visual treat that embodies the spirit of gaming excellence. But this isn't AMD's first collaboration with Capcom's Monster Hunter franchise. Earlier this year, AMD offered free copies of Monster Hunter World with select Ryzen CPUs, Radeon GPUs, and AMD-powered laptops. This ongoing partnership celebrates both performance and creativity, uniting the gaming and hardware communities under one thrilling campaign. The Monster Hunter Wilds Edition RX 9070 XT takes this collaboration to a new level, symbolizing the blend of art and engineering that both AMD and Capcom represent. For gamers, this isn't just another GPU. It's a collectible piece of hardware that connects 2 powerhouse brands in gaming and technology. From a technical standpoint, the Radeon RX 9070 XT is a beast. Its RDNA 4 cores deliver exceptional rasterization performance and efficient ray tracing capabilities, ensuring buttery smooth frame rates at 1440p and even 4K gaming. The 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory provides ample bandwidth for high-resolution textures and demanding next-gen titles, while AMD's Smart Access Memory, SAM, technology, when paired with Ryzen CPUs, squeezes out every last drop of performance by allowing full access to GPU memory. Whether you're diving into AAA titles like Starfield or competitive esports like Apex Legends, the RX 9070 XT offers stable, high-refresh gameplay without breaking a sweat. And because it's an AMD product, users benefit from a suite of powerful software tools like Radeon Chill Anti-Lag Plus and FSR3 Fidelity FX Super Resolution, which combine to deliver enhanced performance, reduce latency, and next-gen upscaling for sharper visuals. Now, as for the giveaway itself, it's straightforward yet exciting. Participants have until the end of the 2-week window to enter, and once the sweepstakes concludes, 5 winners will be randomly selected. Each winner will be notified within 7 days and will have 5 days to claim their prize. However, AMD has made it clear that VAT, GST, and import taxes are the sole responsibility of the winners, which could prove a bit challenging for participants in countries affected by current trade tariffs, especially in the U.S., given the ongoing tariff tensions with China. Still, for a GPU of this caliber, even paying import duties would be a small price for such an incredible reward. The limited edition design isn't just about aesthetics. Ashrock has ensured top-tier performance with its advanced triple-fan cooling system and metal-reinforced backplate that enhances durability and keeps temperatures low even during marathon gaming sessions. It's a GPU made for long-lasting reliability and visual brilliance. The Monster Hunter Wilds theme adds another layer of exclusivity, making this version a collector's dream for both PC gamers and fans of Capcom's legendary RPG franchise. And considering only 5 units are being given away globally, winning one of these is like striking gold in the gaming world. What makes this giveaway even more special is the timing. AMD's decision to host this sweepstakes right as anticipation builds for Monster Hunter Wilds, the next major installment in Capcom's beloved series, is a brilliant move. It ties the excitement of an upcoming blockbuster game with the power of AMD's latest hardware, creating a perfect storm of gamer enthusiasm. This cross-promotional strategy not only boosts brand visibility, but also strengthens AMD's connection with the gaming community, showing that the company understands what gamers truly value: performance, style, and opportunity. The Radeon RX 9070 XT itself represents a new era for AMD's graphics division. While Nvidia continues to dominate the ultra-high-end space with its RTX 5090 and 5080 series, AMD has taken a different approach, focusing on value-driven high performance that delivers incredible results without the sky-high price tags. The RX 9070 XT embodies that philosophy, offering near-flagship power at a price point that's far more accessible. Its performance per dollar ratio has made it a fan favorite among gamers who want premium gaming experiences without spending a fortune. And now, with the Monster Hunter Wilds Edition giveaway, AMD is giving back to the very community that has supported its rise over the years. As of now, the giveaway page continues to gain momentum, with over 1 million entries and growing. Participants are encouraged to complete as many engagement actions as possible to maximize their odds of winning. Whether it's following AMD and Ashrock on Twitter, subscribing on YouTube, or joining the Monster Hunter community pages, each action counts toward your entry total. With a maximum of 1,200 possible entries, even a little dedication could make a massive difference. And let's face it, the idea of scoring a top-tier GPU like the Radeon RX 9070 XT for free is enough to make any gamer's heart race. In conclusion, the AMD X Monster Hunter Wilds giveaway isn't just a marketing stunt. It's a celebration of gaming culture and the community that drives it. AMD and Ashrock have once again proven that they understand what excites gamers: performance, exclusivity, and the thrill of the chase. The Radeon RX 9070 XT Monster Hunter Wild Edition stands as a symbol of that excitement, a card that merges raw technical brilliance with the creativity of one of gaming's most iconic franchises. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a collector, or just someone who loves free stuff, this giveaway is your chance to own a piece of gaming history. So don't wait. Head over to the official AMD X Monster Hunter Wild sweepstakes page, enter before the deadline, and cross your fingers. Who knows? You might just become one of the 5 lucky gamers to claim this limited edition masterpiece. And remember, whether you're chasing performance, style, or just the latest in tech trends, stay tuned to TechVerse, where we bring you the hottest updates, in-depth reviews, and exclusive tech insights from across the globe. Because the future of gaming doesn't wait, and neither should you. Subscribe now and join the revolution, only on TechVerse. Recommendation, end of script. If you're serious about gaming and want a shot at owning one of the most unique GPUs ever released, don't miss the AMD X Monster Hunter Wilds giveaway. It's your chance to grab a limited edition Radeon RX 9070 XT with jaw-dropping performance and design, completely free. Enter now before time runs out, and make sure to follow AMD and Oshrock for bonus entries. For more epic tech drops, gaming updates, and hardware deep dives, keep watching TechVerse, where technology meets passion and every pixel tells a story.